Hi everyone, my name is Ben Jones and I'm an analyst at Dorsey, Wright and Associates, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about what we're seeing in the Indian financial marketplace. If we look at the Nifty, we see that it's trading in a positive trend still, and we see that it has yet to reverse back down on the O's. Although it was down 1.19% last week, and that was the week of October 11th through the 15th, we still see that it's still in X's. We still see plenty of demand in this particular index. More importantly, on a relative strength basis, when we compare one thing against another, in this case the index, the CNX Nifty, against something else, we see that it's winning most of these battles. When we compare it against gold, let's say, using the gold Bs, we see that the Nifty index is still in X's and is still outperforming gold as well as most of the major Asian indexes. So this paints a positive picture for India right now, especially for the CNX Nifty. It's just sometimes you may have a week when you're down, but otherwise the trend is still positive. Now let's look at some ideas that we found by scanning through our Indian equity database using the point and figure methodology. What we found were some good looking ideas that actually pull back down into a column of O's, offering better entry points for investors. These stocks are still trading in positive trends and have superior relative strength at this time, which means they're outperforming the market and they're outperforming their peer group or their sector. The first name I want to look at today is Amara Raja Batteries Limited. We see that it's been trading in a strong positive trend really since June of this year. Throughout the summer, it traded in a sideways action really throughout August, but it still maintained its positive trend. So we broke out in September, and now it's traded really between the 210 to 228 area. We just saw it pull back down to a column of O's because it fell in price and maintained its trend. I think you can buy it here with a close stop there around 210 or maybe even 208. That will violate important areas of support. The next name I want to look at is Hotel Leela Venture Limited. It's in a positive trend. It's a 4 for 5er, which means it's meeting most of our requirements on a relative strength and trend basis. We're seeing it just pull back down to a column of O's, holding above the bullish support line. Great support there at the 53 level. I will put a stop there at 52. That would violate the important level of support, the bullish support line. The last name is Sundram Fasteners Limited. We've just seen it reverse back down on a column of O's. It meets all of our technical attribute requirements. You can put a tight stop there around 63. That would be a good stop for me. Otherwise, you can use its October low at 62. So if it breaks down to 61, that can be another stop. All three of these stocks are strong. They're trading in an uptrend, and they're outperforming the market, and they're outperforming its peers. And these are the type of names that you want to have in your portfolio. So go to the Stock Easy site if you have a chance. Look at some of the stocks that we're watching at the moment, as well as reading some of the reports that we have posted. Have a great week.